guy, and you can see his design only in two designs, geometrical designs and flower designs. Then in the 11th century was forbidden to draw the humans and the animals. The judgment for this one is you lose your head. This one is the Turkish blue, turquoise or turquesa. It's very important color for the Turkish people. Then we can find the minorities only in the Turkey for this color. And this one is from the 16th century, from the Ottoman Empire, from the tulip period, and we call it the Ottoman design. And they have only three main flowers, tulip, carnation, and the roses. This one is the tulip, this is the carnation, and I cannot see the roses. Yes, and this one, you can see the roses. The big one, this one is the rosy.
Yeah.
In
Like
the blow process.
Like the designs are in Topkapi.
Yes.
Always.
Yeah, you can see this in Topkapi Palace, is normal, but you seen this in Topkapi Palace?
I think this one like kind of similar, but like with those colors.
Yes, this one is normal for Topkapi Palace,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this is completely Ottoman design.
Mm-hmm.
So this one you can see in Topkapi Palace on the harem wall. And then this is a tree of life or family tree. Normally is over 6,000 years old, not this one. This is an Ottoman shape or pattern. Then in the different cultures they have a different pattern, and this is an Ottoman pattern. So we have here the earth, the sky, and over the sky we have the parents, and under the parents we have a heart from the parents. This symbolizes the love from the parents. And top of the parents we have every daisy flower is a child, grandchild, the next generation to the next generation, and they stay for eternity, love, fertility, and the family. So this one is my family design, and every third circle is one generation in this plate, and I'm in the 6th generation. Eminjan is in the 7th generation. We educate in this moment the new generation, and we have over 200 years of history with the family and with the family company, with this professional life. So, any questions, by the way, ladies and gents? No questions? Okay, very nice. If you want, we can go to the gallery. You can see the finishing products. We have 4 different areas. We have a masterpieces, Turkish blue room, red clay area, and behind the red clay area we have the Hittite wine decanter room, and we have items that are produced by students, crafted and painted by students, more reasonable prices from the masters. Then the masters have all attitudes. They sell the items a little bit higher prices. And in the corner by the masterpieces we have a magical room. How much magic we have magic in this room? We can see them after that. Surprise for you. And by 40 centimeters and over 40 centimeters by the masterpieces, we can ship this till your doorstep. We have a free shipping items. This is a free shipping item. We ship this till your doorstep in wooden cases by DHL, by full insurance by the DHL. Anything else with your item chipped, damaged, or lost in the delivery time, we produce a new one for you and send this again for free. And for the small ones, we have the bubble wraps and carton boxes. If you like one item, you want to take this with you, we can package this very safely. And the prices is only in TL. We can charge the payment in euro, dollar, or plastic card, or you can stay here and work for your item. It's no problem. We accept this payment too. And we give you 20% discount on the price.